Hi friends, welcome to Hashtag Meet. A very warm welcome. Today in this video we will see is the use of keyword package and import statement in Java. As you can see in front of the screen, I've created a Java project, and this uh, I have created a default package, and this default package has so many programs. Also I have another package on the left pane of the screen. You can see this is a control flow demo. So what is basically a package? So package is basically collection of classes included together. There can be both user defined packages and built-in packages. So user defined packages we can create just uh, including in your programs. Suppose I need to include some another package, say uh, in oops demo I want to create a package such as control flow structures. So over here, what I'm doing, I'm just creating a package of that name specifically. So basically, yeah, it creates a default package called package info.java. It's not mandatory to create, but here you can see on the first line of this program is package, and it's mandatorily needs to be included as per rule the first line of code in your Java program. So this is regarding user defined packages. So in our Java project there is basically default packages. These in default packages you see these are the default packages. So in the package name doesn't appear over here. In every kind of program you might be able to see over here, but as you give a user defined name to the package, for every Java program you'll see the name appearing over there. See here, package control flow demo, as I given the name as control flow demo as the package name. So as the first line of code of compilation, it necessarily needs to be package. So in the package these all these different kind of classes are included. This is another class which is included in the same package. Also there is another class which is included in the same package. So this is our package, and also I'm going to make the give the explanation regarding import keyword in Java. So as you can see in front of the screen, I will just remove other unnecessary class files, and for that purpose I've created a, yeah, as you can, I will created a class name import demo. Yeah, see over here also this is first line of uh, Java program is included with the keyword name package, and it is followed by the package name. So package, so if I give any XX name, invalid name, so it gives a compilation error. That's because the package of that name is not defined anywhere in the Java project, so it will definitely give error. Suppose I wanted to include another package. It's giving error. See, because the package in which this is included, that's a different package, because control flow structures is a different package, and it cannot be included in this package of control flow demo. So as per logic it's as per not logic, as per semantics it's wrong. So you have to not include in this way. This is not the right manner. Now here you can also see after package as I given the user defined name as control flow demo, and there are various there are two not various not two classes that are included over here. I needed to include this because what happens if I remove the keyword import over here. Let's see why I need necessarily to use the keyword import over here. It's giving a compiler error. Let's see what it is. Yeah. So when I hover the mouse control over here, it's giving the option that import either from the list as java.util or awt or com.sun.tools or javac.util. So for my purpose, I needed to include the util package. So what I'll do, I'll just import the util.list. Similarly, I also needed to include RLS. So I will uncomment this above line also. So to make the use of this interface of list of your util class, I necessarily needs to import it from the util package. So I needed to import java.util.list and also the class ArrayList. I needed to import it by using import java.util.arraylist. Now see here, as per the convention is, it's first the Java keyword followed by the package name followed by the class names. So for defining import keyword, this is the hierarchy. Suppose for example purpose, I needed to include all the classes present in the util package. So what I will give us import java.util.star. So using the wildcard as dot star, what it indicates that include all the classes under the util package. So it's giving a warning here. Yeah, because you're not included, it's not it's saying. So if I uncomment this, yeah, now it's not remove the warning because these classes this class are a list and list interface are including the util package, so it takes the definition by default. So by using the import java.util.star as the wildcard character, our purpose is served. So this video was all about package, the naming conventions, the how to include some other class or built-in packages or built-in classes in our program with the use of import keyword, and when and where should the package be defined as the first line of the program, and how import should be defined after package. We covered in entire details in this video. Hope so you like it. Do keep liking, subscribing, hashtag me. More to come on you for core Java basics regarding exception handling and all. So bye for now.